short video will be me inside of that, so I'll be posting that later. Shout out to the owner over there for letting me in the Ferrari. Hey, the Volvo, is it C40 in the back? And the Beamer's leaving as well with the underwear. This is back. I forgot there was another section down here. It's a lot bigger than the other time I came out. Oh, there's a Gallardo down there. We got a lovely silver E30. This was at one of my car meets last year. We got another M3 competition at the State, white leather. We got two Z28s. We got a 944 in red. We got a lovely Ferrari. Is it Portofino or 912 down there? We got two Z28s. We got the slammed Beetle again. We got the MG. Looks a bit rough. We got a Gallardo. I got a friend who has a Huracan, but a Gallardo is always lovely to see. Now I'm inside this lovely owner's Lamborghini Gallardo. This time in a Gallardo. Got another M3 competition. This one is not an estate. Again, thank you for the lovely owner for letting me in the Lamborghini. We got a Ferrari down there as well. Normally cars don't park in this section, but it's a pretty big section today. The Evo's leaving. The 944 is as well. Yeah, lovely car. Is this a Land Rover? A Land Rover with a aftermarket front end, maybe? Grenada. Interesting. Ineos. Interestingly. Any more? Oh, there's more down there. Right, we've got a lovely M2 as well. The E30 is now leaving. So we're gonna try our best and film the cars leave. Can't believe I sat in a Gallardo, that was so cool. And a Ferrari. This one is the F12, I think. I see this one quite often. The R8 is now leaving as well. And you got another 944 down there too. Got the, I think it's the 2012 or 2016 now, the R8 is now leaving. Got the R35 behind the AMG GTS. The Lamborghini will be leaving as well. Non-insignia. R35 is coming up. Oh, I hope I have enough storage. Ooh, is that Chevrolet? So, this is going to be the cars leaving video. What is this? A Fiero GT. Never seen one of these.
Oh, sorry, mate.
It's fine. I love these. Reminds me of the Ford Probe in a way at the front. We've got a Morgan here as well, next to the RZ Sydney or RCZ. This is inside the Ferrari. Nice. Thanks to the owner.
It's the first one. Second one.
Yeah.
First one, I think that they had proper downforce with, wasn't it? Yeah.
The Chalkboard Mini is back. I believe this one we saw at Demon and Tweaks. Do they have any chalk? There's also white wheel in the world there. Got the white trim around the headlights. It's like a matte black, but it's meant to be chalkboard, so it won't actually be damaged. You can actually draw on it. Got the John Cooper Works Mini convertible here as well. lovely cyan blue, black and red, black trim obviously. And celebrating Christmas early on this money, because the lights in the grill, oh, these left to side lights on too. And he's got like a chameleon tint on the front as well. Got a Maserati, it looks like a Ghibli SQ4 or Ghibli S, I'm not too sure. We got another plane that's landing in as well, but it's supposed to be a car video, not a plane's landing video. You can get these cheap now. They were a lot before, but yeah, it's got the cream leather interior in these. Got the yellow beamer turning up from the last video. We also have a 94 Celica as well turning up. We got a lot more cars turning up now. Like the 94 Celica, I'm not sure if it's the GT4C variant though. We got another Porsche, another MX-5. Yeah, it is the GT4 variant. Square plates that might be imported. We got the Audi R8 up there. Ice white bronze wheels. The Renault Megane over there as well. The 911 GT3 in green down there too. The Delta's back as well. Gotta move out of the way. The Beamer's behind me. Yes, it is a GT3 RS. Green stitching on the dash, green stitching on the chairs and seat belt, and roll cage in the back. And satin black rims too. Delta HF Integral Evo Mark 1, I think. Got the balled out Range Rover over here. That actually goes quite nice. What wheels are these? Consfer hybrid something wheels. Those actually go quite nice for one of these. Also again, tinted front window and back windows. This is Porsche 911, but it's not just any 911. It's the SC variant. These are cool. I'm not sure if they're plastic, but it's not metal. Unless it's a different kind of paint that makes it look that way, but it's kind of cool. Got the brown interior, or the beige. Original steering wheel as well. Pretty cool. Nice fluffy carpet in there, and a little bit in the back. I believe this was a sunroofed one, but they may have patched it, or they are going to do one. Who knows? Fun thing is about these, when you have a front end collision at lower speeds, these actually push back into the body. It doesn't do much damage at like 20 miles per hour, because you've seen videos, so that takes most of the force and the impact presses on them, and that goes back. So old school Porsche is actually quite cool. On the safety features, got a Fiat 500 Abarth with a Ferrari badge or sticker on it, wanting to be a Ferrari. Got another RS3 or RS4 with a Driven Plus sticker. RS3 Quattro with another Maxton design for the splitter and side skirts and probably rear wing. Another plane landing. I'm gonna walk into the main event now. Alright, we've got a 600 LT here in front of us. It's not the one that I sat in. The one I sat in is way over there with the doors open for the other thumbnail I did. So the other version of this I did sat in. Got the R35 2015 variant, I believe. Got the older Aston Martin. I'm not sure if it's a DB9 maybe, DB. Oh, it's still got the original tax disc as well. Cream leather interior with green on the dash too. It's a DB7 Vantage. Kind of looks like a Jag from the back with a style. It does that full here. Brown leather. Kind of goes nice with black. Got that whole lineup of Porsches up there. Apart from one oddball in the middle of the lineup of Porsches. I believe it's a GTS or a GT. GTS, I was right the first time. I think these ones are supercharged. Carrera S, Boxer S, with a plane landing. It's supposed to be a car, not a plane landing video. One of the new M3 or M4 estate cars, new M3 competition estate. Vauxhall Astra VXR. Done Evo 10 as well. We've got Brembo brakes on the VXR. We also got a lovely Mustang GT. This is the 5-litre Coyote V8 in this Mustang, but it also has the Shelby GT 500 bonnet on it, by the looks of it. Shout out to this person, because I do follow you, and I will send you some photos. I believe this is the Shelby GT 500 HUD, but it's also got the Shelby front end, but it's actually a 5-litre Mustang GT. I think it wants to convert it into a Shelby, but that is pretty cool. One of my favourite cars. Lovely Audi RS6 coupe. I'm not sure if it's the Sportback version. No, sorry, RS5, not RS6. Got the Joker Mini purple trim as well with the green. Here is that at. Lovely Joker inspired. It's got a little octopus on the dash. Got the VR6 Corrado, second one today. Mini Cooper S, but on the dash, I can't tell if that is velvet or what. It's pillars. Is it the velvet on the dash? Some kind of velvet?
Yeah, it's actually, it's Alcantara. Look at the headliner.
Oh my god, yeah, the headliner. Pretty good job, carbon fibre as well for the dash. And in the back as well. Thanks for that.
No worries.
Cooper S wheels, these are actually quite nice on this car. Dual central exhausts as well. You'll recognise this BMW from my other videos. We literally see this everywhere. How many rear wings do you need on your cars? Rear wing on a rear wing on a rear wing on a rear wing on a rear wing. We got another lineup of Porsches, Boxer S, 911 SC again, but without the rear wing. We got some planes here as well, if you can see planes. Private jet too. Over there. Again, more Porsches, the ones we've seen before. It is a Corolla. Interesting. Got a GR Yaris. Got the Audi R8. Not sure if it's the V10 or the V8 variant though. Got the lovely MX-5 here, might remember that from Demon Tweaks. He's trying to get this person who owns this car to buy one of them. So that's got 130 brake stock. I think it has a bit more, I'm not too sure, I didn't quite ask him on that. I'm trying to film here. Got another Z4 Alpina front end. Yeah, let's see if it's the V10 or the V8 model of the R8. I know it's the old style because the back end, it's the V10 FSI. Look at that beautiful engine. Got a M240i. I'm not sure if it's a gunmetal grey, I'm not too sure. This weird Vauxhall is back. Cream leather interior. Let's see, what one was it again? A Vauxhall Calibra 16 valve. I believe they're standard, maybe. Got another GRS GR4, 4-wheel drive. Third McLaren, you'll see that other one down there. Got another R35. This one ain't the 2012 model, I think this one's the 2015 model. I'm not too sure. Again, I'm trying to film. Why is there so many planes? Let me know how many planes we find land in this video. Anyway, got a Litchfield sticker down the side of the R35. Got a lovely deep blue, or like a turquoise McLaren 570 GT. A 570 GT with yellow stitching. Yeah, 570. Yeah, here's the yellow stitching. Lovely blue though. The back's different and all. Kinda reminds me of the 12C from the back, but it ain't. Again, planes. It's supposed to be a car show, not a plane show for you guys. It's the back of the GTR 85. Got a lovely Porsche 911 Turbo. Toyota MR2 1995 as well there. Oh, this Porsche's left-hand drive instead of right-hand drive. Cool. I've never seen a Porsche in left-hand drive, only right-hand drive. Here's the 95 MR2. Not a standard rear wing. No, that's definitely aftermarket rear wing. The Audi TT. Got your M2. You got your Porsches again. Second favourite car of the meet is this lovely R32 Skyline. I think it's an R32 or R33. Next to the Evo, both in white. This one's got dark bronze wheels as well. It is a GT. OMP steering wheel in there. You got the gauges on the dash. Those are aftermarket. Yeah, GTR. Those are nice. Yeah, V-Spec GTR. Lovely. Jesus. It's bigger than my fist. Got the Mitsubishi here. Again, bore exhaust, like the Skyline. OZ racing rims, probably Brembo brakes. Momo race wheel? No. I don't know what that says, but I don't want to butcher the word. Brembo brakes? Yes, Brembo brakes as always on these.
We need a rally car. We've built a rally car and we need to get it approved. So what we're going to do is just sell 500. Actually, these are really selling really well.
Now, walking over to this Volkswagen we did see come in, so he's now got the hood up. It's got BBS wheels on this. Wonder what the fitment is on the front. They do stick out quite a bit as well from the body. There's your perspective on how much they stick out. It's proper hollowed out inside. The floor and everything is basically to match the outside of the car. One of the bravest colours on the bravest wheels I've seen on a Volkswagen. And it's got the chrome front bumper too. Very brave indeed, sir, but it looks pretty cool. Look at the crumple zone. So if a car crashes here, it pushes that back into there. That's what these are. Just like that Porsche has on the front as well, but on the exterior and interior. So those are the crumple zones. That bar there, and that one over there. Look how low the gearbox is as well to the ground. That's like nearly scraping. You see another like 3-4 inches lower, that gearbox would be scraping on the ground. Got the interior here, got the old style seat belts. You got the Momo race wheel as well. 74,000 miles on the clock. Got the original interior, I think. And you can tell it does echo in here because it's just basically 2-seat steering wheel and a 4-speed gearbox and a very skinny handbrake. They don't make them like they used to. We've got a lovely Westfield kit car here as well. It says powered by Honda. It's got a slick race size on there, I believe. The bucket seats, you sit quite low in here. 6-speed. Yeah, that would be scary considering I am taller than this car. That's the McLaren I sat in for my last video, so go film this car again. So this was the McLaren I used in the thumbnail. So I was sitting in this last time, just for a YouTube thumbnail. But look how the door just, it fits with the body of the car. Carbon fibre as well. We've got the yellow stitching. Got carbon fibre around here too on the centre console and everything. Some speakers in back there too. And so I do vent on this. Lovely. Got the yellow trim on it too. It goes around every panel gap. It's a 720S. Oh, under the door. Cool.
down here and another Audi switch. But these are switches.
The lovely Volkswagen Caddy as well. I recognise this from one of my older videos. It looks the same. Another plane is landing. I'm sorry if you hear the planes. Built, not bought. Got the original seats in there to match the exterior as well. Chrome mirrors too. Now the modern Caddies look nothing like the original Caddy. This is the original Caddy. It's got the same battery I have in my Yaris. K&N filter. And you can see the fuel filter there as well. Again, the crumple zones here, just like that Volkswagen. I believe that one's a Scirocco. But yeah. If any more cars turn up, I'll film them and post them later. But for now, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.